Soccer DBB number 37. This is for 2016-17 Revolution. Team random. All right, let's see. Everybody gets one good team and one not so good team. So quick check. Here we go. Dice roll is for both randoms for the teams, and Snake Eyes is re-roll. Good luck. Going full distance 12 times, guys. 12 times on the teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last and final time, good luck. 12, we have Basel on top, Lyon, Marseille at the bottom. All right, on to the good teams. Also 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last and final time, good luck. 12, we have Boca Juniors on top and Bayern at the bottom. So here are your teams, guys. Your teams. Quick check. All right, Lars gets the Boca combo spot. René gets Real Madrid. Sergio gets Dortmund, Schalke. Stefan Sillis gets Milan. Sascha Lehner gets Barcelona. Ricardo Matos, Juve, Villarreal. Lars gets Atletico. René gets Paris. Sergio gets Leicester. Ricardo Matos gets Bayern. Lars gets Basel. René gets Inter Milan. Sergio Standard Lüttich. Stefan Sillis Ajax. Sascha Fenerbahce Olympiacos. Ricardo Matos Sporting. Nice, he wanted that team. Lars, Moscow Zenit, René gets Porto, Sergio gets Roma, and Ricardo Matos, Lyon and Marseille. That are your teams for a Revolution, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, Revolution, one box break. Let me grab my mic quick. All right, after this is Court Kings basketball. Good luck. First pack gets us base, and that is parallel for Shinji Okazaki and Leicester. That's one is base, and that is Cosmic 92 of 100 for Leicester City. Shinji Okazaki. Leicester is Sergio. And next pack, base. We have Danny Drinkwater for Leicester City and Fernando Torres Stargazing for Atletico. And Danny Drinkwater is Fractal. Fractal Parallel also for Sergio. We got a Revolutionaries, Luis Figo. Wow, what is that, a Galactic? Oh yeah, it is. Wow. Galactic Luis Figo for René Berlin cards. Wow, sick. Congrats, René. Sick card. Luis Figo's Revolutionaries, and that is an insert Galactic, so even much rarer. It's the third one we already pulled, so not bad. Congrats, René. Galactic. There, guy. Congrats. And we got base, and that only for 850. Not bad, not bad. All right, next box we have Astro Max Meyer for Schalke. Astro Parallel. On the rise is Boca Juniors Pavon. Next up we got base, and autograph coming, guys. Wow, autograph. Let's do this one at the end. It's the only autograph in this box, so we got an autograph. Let's see who gets it. We have base, stargazing Astro Iker Casillas for Porto. Astro. We got stargazing Aubameyang, Dortmund. Infinite is Giuliano for Zenit. And last card before we go to the autograph, we have Astro Antoine Griezmann for Atletico. And on the rise is Jota for Porto. Alright guys, good luck on the autograph. Let's see, that is the bottom, right? Yeah. Good luck. Autograph is going to nice AC Milan, and then it's Roberto Donadoni. AC Milan. Very nice. AC Milan is Stefan Sillis. Congrats. Nice hit. One spot mojo for Stefan. Donadoni. AC Milan autograph. Alright, that's it for the box. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.